Alright guys, so we got the bigger drone out here. You got some red lights around it, then you got white for the front. Nice little headlights it shows. So yeah, you got headlights and you can adjust the speed. So I like it on the fastest speed, which this is it. Now you guys can see, easily maneuver it around. The speed definitely can turn around really nice. So as you guys can see here how the agility is. It's a very nice agility. It's got pretty decent speed. Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing show and tell video. Today we're checking out the really nice looking D10 drone by DEERC. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, show you guys what you get in the package, and then also test it out. Alright guys, to first start out, you get 2 batteries. So these are the batteries here. You can charge them right there by plugging the power cable that they supply. Let's see, these batteries are 3.7 volts, 1000 mAh, energy 3.70 Wh. So you get 2 of them. You also get a screwdriver, caution for the batteries, you get extra blades, and the charger inside here as well. So we're going to go ahead and pull that charger out and charge up one of these batteries while we show everything. And it looks like they give you 2 charging cables. So it's just your little USB cable to charge and port in there. And a screwdriver, if I did not say that. You also get, I believe these are to either protect the wings or for landing gear. And a manual as well. And let's charge this. Alright guys, so this is the remote control. And you're going to put 3 AA batteries in the back. You're going to have your on-off button right here. Your little joysticks here, which very tight reaction. And then all these other settings that you have. You got all your auto takeoff, land, video, photo, and so much more. So you guys can definitely check out your manual in the listing for more of that. And it looks like this bottom comes out as well. So you can also use this. Huh, interesting. So for your cell phone, place your phone in there and it will get tight against. And if you don't want to use your cell phone, you don't have to. So we're going to go ahead and put batteries in that. Let's show you guys the drone itself. So this is the drone. You have your on and off button on the top here. And just simply pull out the blades until you hear it snap in place. So just pull it out like that. Now, as you guys can see, it is a pretty decent sized drone compared to my big head. So pretty decent sized drone. You got your camera right there. Let's see. Battery goes in the back right here. Again, on off, press and hold for the top for the on off. Decent looking drone. Let's see how it flies. Distance not too bad. It drops and climbs very quickly. So here it comes dropping. And it stops very nice. That's one thing I like. There's many things I like about this drone, but what's really nice is when you go forward and you pull back, it stops pretty quick. So some drones you do that and it takes like forever. So you can hover nice and low, fly low, shoot up, come down very quickly. Easy to control. Yeah, a lot of fun. We can do some flips here. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. We have to learn the flip setting. So yeah, we'll have to learn how to do the flips. That's alright though. Yeah, overall, pretty fun. So let's see if you guys can watch it, how far it goes. Yeah, you can go very high. So I don't know if you guys can still see it, but very high. It actually does handle wind pretty good as well. So it's definitely handling the wind pretty decent. You definitely want to get used to flying it low. So that's one big misconception people have, is they think, oh yeah, now that I got a drone, I can fly it really high, really fast, and all this fun stuff. Now you want to learn it flying low. I think you should master flying it low before you go high. So master the distance. So as you guys can see, we go low to the ground. So master that, learn how to master all of that. Master stopping it and flying left, right. Once you do that, then go ahead and fly it high. Overall, pretty nice, guys.